Hi everybody! So I'm going to share with you guys another Make It Raw recipe video here with Miss Staci, guys. Yes. Well, it's another juice recipe, and since it's summertime, you gotta include watermelon in your juices. It's like major hydration season, you know, like ears get so freaking hydrated that you just feel like on top of the world, right? And you just feel like you can live off of liquid, pure liquid for the rest of your life. Don't you guys feel that way too? Well, I know for me, I love eating watermelon all on its own, of course, but I really like juicing it because it provides a lot of extra water and flavor to juices, and you can make so many different types of juices with watermelon. And of course, you guys know, all you raw foodies out there know, that you can take a juice recipe, you can add an ingredient to it, changes it completely, or you can take an ingredient out, changes it completely into a whole new recipe. So there's so many, like seriously, there's hundreds, thousands of different varieties of and combinations of smoothies and juices that you can do. But this one, I've done so many watermelon juices. I'm trying to get out to all the videos for you guys here, but we got to do them one at a time now. This one is just watermelon and apples. I'm going to juice 2 Fuji apples. I like using Fuji apples because they are the sweetest type of apple, and I just like the flavor of Fuji apples. I prefer them, but you most certainly can use any type of apple that you want, that you desire, whatever your little heart desires, whatever floats your little boat, whatever floats your little raw boats, right? So I'm using 2 Fuji apples and just about 1/4 of a large watermelon, and it kind of overflows. It makes a lot of juice, but it's a really good juice. Apples and watermelon are phenomenal together. But another good combo is watermelon, raspberry, and mint. Holy moly. So let's get juicing, guys. Guys, it's red day, and one thing that's awesome to do is to chill your glass before you pour your juice. Makes it that much more enjoyable, of course. But here it is, just apples and watermelon, and it is absolutely superb. Oh my gosh, it's so tasty. Oh, so perfect for summer. The apples go perfect with that watermelon, and it just makes the watermelon more sweeter. Nothing is better than when you are freaking hydrated, right? Wow. Tasty. Alrighty guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys.